Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Christmas version, or at least the December version of my subscription box unboxing videos. I'm going to be unboxing the BIRCHBOX here for you guys, and also the GLOSSYBOX from December. So let's go straight into a BIRCHBOX. I have to say I love this box so much, but look, when I opened it, I used some scissors to cut through the other packaging, and it cut the box. I'm really sad because it's a really nice box. But let's see what's inside. Oh! Ooh. Oh, don't tell me that I've taken out the flipping booklet that tells me what's in it. I have. I think I have, because I can't see it. This happens every... Oh wait, I think I found it. I found it. It's alright. It's okay. Right, okay, I found it. So, what have we got today, BIRCHBOX? Ooh, okay. I'm seeing a lipstick, a long-lasting lipstick. Is that this? Yes, it is. Long-lasting lipstick. RRP £20. That's not bad. This liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge. Okay, so I think there were possibly two colours to get. Mine is in the shade Powder, which is a really weird name for a shade of a lipstick. But this is what it looks like. I like the shade actually. It's a nice Christmassy colour. Quite dark. Oh, I do like that. I actually do really like that. That is a really nice, rich, it's like a deep shade of red. Does it have a scent? Oh, it's almost got a bit of a nutty scent or something. I don't know. I've sprayed perfume so I can kind of smell that, and I'm not sure if that's what I'm smelling, but yes. Okay, like that. That's not bad actually for BIRCHBOX. Quite liking that. What else have we got? We've got bubble sheet mask, RRP £7.50 for one. Surely not. So this is a bubble sheet mask. I'm not gonna weed everything for you guys. I'm just gonna explain to you what it is and all that jazz. So a bubble sheet mask. It can't be £7.50 just for one, can it? Maybe it is. I mean, that's what it says on here. Whether it comes in a pack, I don't know. But it's saying £7.50, so there we go. Next up we have got Rituals. Right, okay. I really like the Rituals body cream. I don't know if you guys will remember. There's another one of this that I've got, and I've got 3 of them now, but this is actually a different one. This is Ritual of Ayurveda. Balancing body clean in Indian rose and Himalaya honey, but I love the smell of the other one. It's in a white package. Oh yeah, I love this Rituals cream. I really like it. So on the picture it's showing it in a different kind of packaging. It says RRP £19.50, so this isn't obviously a full size, but it's a decent size. It's not tiny. It is 70ml, which is an alright size, I think. And these Rituals creams, seriously, they smell so nice. Love it. Right, let's move on to the next thing. Percy and Reed. Ah yes. Oh, well, this is a bit lame. So, sorry BIRCHBOX. Percy and Reed is also a brand that comes in a lot of different boxes and calendars, and they give free samples away. I've received it in a magazine before, but this is literally just a packet. It's not even a proper thing, it's just a packet, and it is a hydrating mask. It is, I mean, it's fine. I will get a use out of that. I will get one use out of that with my hair. If you've got longer hair, I mean, you'll still get a use out of it, but it's probably not going to really cover all of your hair. But I'd say if you've got my length or shorter, you'd be alright. My hair's actually quite long now, isn't it? How long is my hair, you guys? Ah, love it. So, next up we have got The RRP for that is £22. Obviously that's for a full size and that is not a full size. I'm not sure if we've got anything that's full size. Oh, the lipstick must be a full size. It just doesn't say on it. For some reason, Birchbox are not telling us anymore. Probably because they know that hardly ever anything is full size. Sorry, Birchbox, I love you. So, we have now got a Benefit Go-Go tint. What shade is this in? Or is that just the shade? RRP $25.50 for the full size. This, however, is definitely not full size. This is the little packaging that it comes in. But it's teeny weeny. I have got one of these, actually. Have I got one of these? Like a little mini one. But, I mean, is this, do you use this on your lips or your cheeks? Is it one of them? Like, you would get, if you're putting this on your cheeks, you would get quite a few uses, I think, even out of just this small tub. Because it's just, you only need like a tiny little drop and then you pop it on. I've got so many different scents coming all around me. I don't know what I'm smelling. But I like that. It's a nice tint. It's like, it's very pink. It's pink and it's got a bit of a little bit of a shimmer to it. I like that, actually. That's pretty cool. And finally, we've got Hazel Birchbox hair comb. Right, so Birchbox hair comb there, and Hazel chocolate. Oh, is it actual chocolate? Oh, it's chocolate! Okay. Okay, Birchbox. I thought it was something to go with the comb. Oh, we got some little chocolates in Birchbox. I'm having one. It's Christmas. I'm allowed. It'll be fine. What the hell is that? What is that? It's got like a pink swirl on it, and I think it's strawberry, but what is that? I like it. I like it, it was just weird. I'm gonna have the other one as well. Oh, I should have had that one second. I should have had the other one last. This is more truffly inside. Nice though. Well, thanks for that, Birchbox. We all like a bit of chocolate, don't we? So that's everything that came in the Birchbox this time. Ooh, we get a full size thing for next month. I'm excited about that. So I'm actually not hating the Birchbox this time. Like, these three items are actually pretty decent items. I'm actually quite, I think Birchbox has done well for December. Yeah, go on Birchbox. Right, let's move into GLOSSYBOX so this video is not so long. See what GLOSSYBOX have done for us this time. This is what the box looks like. All the glitters! And I am a big glitter fan, for sure. Let's see what we have got this time. Okay, so what is this? Oh, let's try doing it in, I don't know. Imperial Leather Fantasy Icons Cosmetic Unicorn Shower Gel. So it's just a shower gel. Oh. Cosmic Unicorn Limited Edition. This is the one where, I used to get this when I was younger, in that like thing that you press the button and like foam comes out. Do you guys remember that? I'm guessing they still do it. It really, really, really like leathers up and like, yeah. Ooh. Oh, that smells familiar. I like that. I like that, you guys. I like it. It's not necessarily like a Christmassy scent or anything. Inject some fun into your daily shower routine with our new limited edition Cosmic Unicorn Shower Gel. It's really pretty though. I like it. Okay. So that's that. Then we've got lip mask. Is that this? Divine Hydrogel Lip Mask. For plump, smooth and kissable lips, look no further, blah blah blah. So it's a lip mask. So the RRP for the shower gel is $1.99. And the RRP for this is £7.50. So, I mean, it'll be interesting to try it out. Should we have a little look inside? Oh, you get 2. And they just look like that. This will definitely be interesting to try out. I could do a video on this. I'm not sure if I've really got high hopes though. I don't really understand lip masks. Just because I don't know. I mean, my lips are really unhydrated. Wow. My lips are dehydrated and I do need like hydration, but I feel like, yeah, they might be nice, but like whenever you get your lips nice, it lasts for like a day, for me anyway, and then like a day later they're really chipped and peeling again, so that's the only thing. It's really annoying. But anyways, a matte lip crayon. Ooh, in Winterberry. Oh, these go together. Do these go together? Oh no, ignore me. But GLOSSYBOX just want them to go together, I think. It just, in the description, they talk about this in the description for the other one. Wow, I just need to get, like, yeah. So let's just have a little look and see. Ooh, okay. I do like it. So it's this one here, and it is kind of similar to what we got with BIRCHBOX. It's a bit more of a berry colour rather than a red, but I like that. Then we've got a jelly blush. Ooh. Ooh, that's this. Oh, so we've got 2 lip products this month and 2 blushes. This is in the shade Barley, Liquid Jelly Blusher. Oh, I don't have any scissors. Oh, it's alright. I think I've done it. Yes, I've done it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where can I put it? I'll put it. I feel like these kind of things. Oh, you're not going to be able to see it. It is there, like you can see it. It's just really, because of the light, you're not really going to be able to see it. But it's very shimmery. To me, it's more of a highlight shade, but obviously it has got a pinkness to it. It's got like gold reflex and it's got glitter in it. So if you're not a fan of like glitter, like on your face kind of thing, you might not love it. But I think I'm going to really like that. That's what it looks like. And it's, yeah, it's like a pink with a gold reflex, but it's also got like quite chunky bits of glitter in it. You can't really see. You can't see at all on camera. I'm very sorry for that, guys. But yeah, I'm actually quite excited to try that. It's by Kiko Pro. That's not like Kiko Milano though, is it? I don't think it is. Does it have a scent? We haven't tried that yet. Not particularly. So that's definitely something I will probably quite enjoy. Because you know I love my glitters. That glitter hasn't come from anywhere else, has it? Because it just doesn't really look like it's in it. Yeah, it must be. So I'm not sure about it being a blush, maybe a blush topper. But I feel like these kind of cream products are going to be more for like in the summer when you've not got a lot of foundation on. But I mean, I could be wrong. You can use it whenever you want to use it. That's just my opinion. And we've got the Incredible Pore Strip. Well, that's a bit lame. GLOSSYBOX. I'm a bit like, okay, we've got a pore strip. There's not really much to say about that. It's a pore strip. It's just a 1 pore strip. £3.50 is the RRP. Whether that's for like a pack of these or just this one. I won't be paying £3.50 for a pore strip, let's put it that way. And the highlighter is £12. And this is a full size. Oh, this is an extra treat, which is fine. Fair enough, it's an extra treat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then whatever's on the back will be 5, yeah. So this is just an extra treat, which is, for an extra treat, it's cool, it's good. The lip mask is £7.50, and that is full size. Everything's a full size. Everything that I've showed you is a full size. Yeah, this is £12, and the lip crayon is £16.95. Okay. And then the final thing is on the back. What is this? Ooh. Ooh, okay, shimmer roll. My voice is going. Apply to your shoulders and collarbones for extra sparkle. Shimmer roll. RRP is $19.99. Wow. And this is a full size as well. Okay. Can you see that there? Like that shimmer there. I've not... Shall I put some on my cheeks? Little bit OTT, I think, guys. I really like it though. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. I know that these lights are washing me out big time. Oh, you can't even see it, but it's proper pigmented. It's really, really pigmented. It's really, really shimmery. Just take my word for it. Let me turn this light down. Is that better? Yes. ISO up. Like, it's very shimmery. Anyway, you can't really see on camera, but I like that. Face, eyes, body. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Never heard of it, but it's an expensive one. I mean, it's 20 quid for that little thing, so... I have to put the light back up because it's way too dark. So there we have it. GLOSSYBOX versus BIRCHBOX. I think this time... I think BIRCHBOX did really well this time. I'm not going to say like whether I think it's... I think probably they both did pretty well. It's probably been one of the least exciting GLOSSYBOX ones actually. Although I do like that blush and that shimmery thing. And the lip thing's alright as well. It's been alright. They've both done well this time. I think BIRCHBOX did well this month. So that's it for this video, you guys. I'm sorry if it was a little bit long. Remember, we are doing 2 boxes, so that's why. I love you guys so much. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll give you a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you're all having a super awesome Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, I love you. Bye.